Hey guys, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. Here you are listening to Aprajita Mishra. I'm a certified financial planner. So, we will here discuss regarding the ICICI Prudential Nasdaq 100 Index Fund. You all know whenever we invest in index fund, it is closely aligned to the market. So, if the market is going high, that fund will perform, and simultaneously, if the markets are not performing well, your fund might not give you as good return as you expected. But in a history of the market, over a period of time, the longer you invest in a market, the longer the fruits you bear. So, coming to this fund, ICICI Prudential Nasdaq 100 Index Fund, the tagline of this fund is that aims to deliver the power of 100 global leaders in one fund. Means there will be multi companies of the US market where their money will be invested. NFO opening date is September 27, 2021 and it will be activated till October 11, 2021. After that, after 1 week's time, it will be opened as a open-ended fund in the market. In Nasdaq 100 Index Fund, it has access to global brands. Which are the brands? Like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet Inc., Facebook plus Netflix, Tesla, PepsiCo and Starbucks. These are all companies whom we dream to buy shares of these companies. Because one share is so much costly. Obviously, you cannot expose all your income, Indian income, into these shares. So, by the help of this fund, you will get this benefit of diversification. Now, coming to the reasons to invest in this scheme. First reason is diversification. As I said, diversification means you are having an exposure to the Indian market as well as you are having an exposure to the foreign market. Second one is access to global companies listed on Nasdaq 100 Index Fund that I have told you earlier. Like if we have to invest in Apple or Microsoft, we have to buy direct shares and then the conversion rate and many things are affected by this. But investing into this NFO, this will create a hassle-free investment. Plus, we will be having an access to all these companies without investing on much amount. Third point is it has performed well over the last 2 decades. Obviously, that I told you, if you give market at least 2 to 5 years time, they will perform. And right now, current situation, the markets of Indian as well as US has performed very well in the last 2 decades. So you can just go through it. Fourth one is potential hedge against rupee depreciation versus dollar. In the history, if you notice, in August 15, 1947, $1 was equal to 1 rupees. Now, the $1 value is 75 to 80 rupees. So you can just imagine, you are getting the benefit of appreciation of dollar as the dollar becomes stronger and stronger, and you will be invested in this fund, so you will be getting a benefit of the dollar appreciation also. Coming to the point number 5, exposure to the big tech stocks. Obviously, these companies are very big multinational companies and you will be having an exposure to such companies, and that is a worthwhile. Option number 6 is direct investment in index constituents. Suppose we invest in index funds like which are aligned to the domestic market. Similarly, here you will be investing in an index fund which will be aligned to the US market. So you will have a grip on both the markets by just investing in the one fund. Then the second last point is transparent and index based investing. Definitely, in any indexation funds, it is closely aligned to the market. However the market performs, it will be very transparent. If the market is performing well, it will go good, otherwise not. But definitely, if you give a time, then it will perform. Point number last is global product and services catering to all age group. There is no age foundation, nothing. And obviously, if anyone have a grip over the market and investment, they can go with it. Coming to the scheme details, it is an open-ended index fund replicating the Nasdaq 100 index. Options are regular and direct, both are there. Fund manager is Priyanka Khandelwal. Minimum application amount is 1000. You can start with a minimum amount and invest in these multinational companies. That's a good choice. Minimum additional application amount is rupees 500. Minimum redemption amount is any amount, and there is no exit load. That is the best thing. Benchmark index is Nasdaq 100 index try. SIP, SWP, and STP all are allowed. Quarterly SIP you can do a 5,000, minimum installment 4, minimum installment 6, in monthly SIP is rupees 100. So in short, and first of all, let's go through the riskometer. Is category shows very high risk. Benchmark riskometer is also very high risk because it is aligned to the market, and definitely it will be a risky fund. So as a whole summary, I would like to convey you that this fund is good for people who wants diversification in their portfolio and who are very keen to invest in the US market along with the domestic market. The people who are little bit skeptical about the current situation where the US market might not perform, not because it is very much developed, so it might not yield them good result. If they are skeptical about this, then they should not go with it. Else, if they are thinking that markets will perform well over a period of time and they have knowledge of the markets, index funds, then definitely they should go this fund. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe so that you will be getting my videos on these types of NFOs and IPOs and everything, whatever you'll ask. Please drop a comment if you want to know more about this one. Thank you so much.